What's going on, O fans? Sean here from Olight USA, and today we have something very, very special to discuss with you, and that is the first addition to our C.O.R.E Special Edition series. Now, we are calling it C.O.R.E because there are 4 principles for this series, not only for this light, but any other future lights that are in the C.O.R.E series. So the C is going to stand for crafted, from special techniques and from premium materials. So every light that is in the C.O.R.E series is going to have some type of special manufacturing process. And this one right here, the antique green, is definitely a part of that, with this beautiful anodizing that we did and this really fun stone washed effect. Now, original, the O stands for original, because anything in the C.O.R.E series is going to be an original design from Olight that you will only find from Olight. The R stands for rare, because we are going to do a pre-order for this light, and once the pre-order is over, we are going to produce the amount of products that have been pre-ordered, ship those out, and then this product will never be produced again, and we're going to move on to something else. So if you want to get this, you absolutely have to get in on that pre-order, because once the pre-order is over, you can no longer order this product. And the E in C.O.R.E stands for this being exclusive to our loyalty members on our website. So you need to have a loyalty account on our site to even have access to the C.O.R.E series products. This is something that we really wanted to do that was special for our loyalty members, for the people who have been with us for a long period of time. We've been producing our flagship products for quite some time, like the ARC Pro series, but we felt that it was only right to also do something that is special for our C.O.R.E members, which is why we're calling it the C.O.R.E Special Edition project. And this looks absolutely amazing in the antique green. So now that you know that you can go over to olight.com to pre-order this, let's go down to the tabletop and get an up-close look. Let's now unbox and check out this beautiful antique green ARC Pro. Now, you can see here that it comes in this really cool green case. It looks incredible, and we'll go ahead and pop this open. You can see that it has this custom foam cutout, which is where the light is going to be, and you have your literature and charging cable here in the top. So let's go ahead and move this out of the way and check out this finish. So as you can see, it has this kind of stonewash green. I'll go ahead and explain it to you. So what we did is we first started out by anodizing the light. Then after that, we coated the light in this kind of golden copper hue, and then after that, we vigorously stonewashed it as well. So you're going to see this gold here all over the edges, but on the flat surfaces, you'll see that the gold has basically kind of been removed from the stonewash, and you're basically getting that kind of gold flakes in that beautiful green color, and it looks incredible. And actually, due to the stonewash process, each one is going to look ever so slightly different, so the one that you have is going to be quite unique. Now, it does have these stickers here on the front. This is going to show you the UI and how you rotate the switch right here to go to your different settings. You also need to make sure that you charge the product before you use it. For shipping purposes, we actually have the light locked out, so you need to plug it in order to get it to start working. It's just a safety measure, and it's a great way to have you guys charge up your lights before you start using it, which is what I highly recommend as well, so you can get to the higher settings. So let's go ahead and just remove this sticker here. So there you are. There is your black switch there in the center. I think it looks really nice here with all of the black accents on this light. You've got your laser button on the side. You've got your deep carry stainless steel clip right here. We also have your little latch right here. So this is going to be for your Type-C charging. And then of course you have your switch on the front. So let's go ahead and remove these stickers here as well. We got a sticker on the front there. And I'm gonna go ahead and turn this one on because I have a confession to make. I went ahead and charged this up before making the video. That way I can go ahead and show you all of the functions. So please make sure that you plug yours in because it's not going to turn on until you plug it in. Now, this has a ton of different settings. We have the floodlight setting. So you can see there, it's going to have this beautiful, just kind of ever-flowing light that's perfect for up-close tasks. You can light up an entire room with this floodlight. But now I'm going to go ahead and flip it over to the spotlight. And you can see that tight hotspot there in the center. This is going to give you a 205 meter beam distance, which is absolutely fantastic for such a small, flat design product. So you got your floodlight for up close, and you've got your spotlight for far away. Now we'll go ahead and jump over to the UV, and it actually is a two-stage UV that goes to over 1100 milliwatts, which is fantastic. And it even has a filter on there to give you a really, really nice viewing angle there when you are shining it on things you're trying to look at, you know, if it's sanitary and, you know, hotel rooms, if you want to check for scorpions out in the desert. I mean, there's all kinds of cool things that you can use a UV light for. You can activate things with UV as well. I mean, it is just a really cool thing to have on an everyday carry light. Now we'll go ahead and press the laser button, and you can see that we have a laser there in the middle, and then I'll go ahead and move this out. So there is your laser, and then there is your laser as well. So what I like about it is you can actually use the laser while using all the other modes. And my favorite configuration is going to be the Spotlight Plus laser because both of these are long distance. So if you're looking at something far away, you put that spotlight on there and you will be able to see it that much better. And each one of these modes does have a low, medium, and high mode. You can do a double tap to get up to turbo, and you can do a triple tap to get over to strobe. So really wonderful addition to the Arc Pro lineup. I love the process that we did with this. It's so unique. The gold and the green look fantastic together. And I love how we did that aggressive stone wash to give it kind of this flake look, even though the body is completely smooth. And due to that stone wash process, when you feel this, this is one of the smoothest feeling materials that I really have ever felt. I think this is probably the smoothest feeling Arc Pro that we've made just due to this stone wash process. Now, please keep in mind, I've had some people ask, you know, hey, is that made out of brass or something like that? No, this is anodized aluminum, so just keep that in mind. But the weight of it is very, very premium, and it does have a very premium feel with that nice smooth finish. Thank you guys so much for checking out this absolutely beautiful first product of our C.O.R.E Special Edition series, which is the Antique Green Arc Pro. It looks absolutely beautiful, and I'm a huge fan of this case, and just a fun piece of history here. When we originally were coming out with the Arc Pro and we were having meetings about the product itself and the packaging, I suggested for us to do a fun case like this, but for the standard editions, we decided that the standard paper box made more sense. So I'm really glad to see that we actually ended up doing this for this special series. Please make sure to go over to olight.com and pre-order yours today. Just know that you need to be logged into your loyalty account in order to be authorized to purchase this. And if you miss the pre-order, well, you're not going to be able to get one of these. So please make sure that you guys pre-order it so you don't regret it later when everybody's showing off their amazing antique green Arc Pros and you don't have one. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'm Sean from Olight USA. I hope you're really excited for not only this specific product, but the C.O.R.E Special Edition series in the future as well. We really appreciate it. Head over to the website and get yours, and we'll see you soon.